Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my live stream. Over here, we only are concerned about the charts because the charts will never lie to you, and we only look to make money. Okay, we're not trying to uh, become some type of genie and try to predict what's going to happen in the future. No, we are focused on the present moment, which is now. Okay, and we look to take advantage of patterns that repeat themselves over and over and over in the chart. So if that's something that you want to learn more about, definitely hit that subscribe button because I know, I don't care what no one says, I know you're tired of the market going up, going down, up, down, and you read news and you read or your favorite YouTuber tells you, hey man, we're going to the moon every single month. I know you're tired of it. I don't care what you say. I know it. So if you're tired of it, definitely hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to go over the charts, and we're going to talk about pretty much the crypto world. All right. So let's get this party started. Of course, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay. And if you are watching that replay, you can actually speed up by hitting 1.5 or 2. Okay. When you go to settings and hit speed. And what else? Okay. So let's get this party started. Let's see if I see anybody in the chat room. What's going on, Davina? Let me pop this out real quick. Shout out to everybody that's here coming through. Okay. Hopefully I can make this a quick show. And I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys had a good weekend so far. All right. And we're going to see who's in the building so far. I see Davina. I see Richard. I see Dom. I see Scott. All right. And I'm going to take your questions, guys. I'm definitely going to take your questions. Just give me a second. All right. What's going on, GR8? All right. What's going on, guys? So we're going to look at CoinMarketCap first, and then we're going to look at the Bitcoin chart. Right now, the dominance is at 52.4, which is going up a little bit. The market cap is still below that 220 mark because I noticed that around that 220 we had resistance, so it didn't really go above that 220, so we're still below that. Today everything is pretty much in the red, right? So nothing really going on in the crypto world. It's just pretty much the same. It pretty much been like this the whole year. I just don't understand why people think that 1 month out of the year the market just going to change. So you're trying to say that we've been bearish for 11 months, and all of a sudden, just 1 month, we're just going to turn bullish. Okay, it usually doesn't happen like that, guys. If we bearish for the whole year, most likely it's going to be that. Okay, same thing, vice versa. If we bullish for the whole year, most likely we're going to be bullish for the whole year. All right. So anyway, let's go over these charts. Of course, guys, if you have any questions, definitely type in your questions. I will get to your questions. If you feel like the market is going to just moon up, or if you feel whatever your question you have. I know some of you guys have questions. Type in your questions. I've been doing this for 11 years, so type in your questions. All right. Let's see here. So basically, Bitcoin we dropped again today. Okay, not surprised. I'm not surprised at all. Just let's look at this, guys. This was a channel break, and it looks like we will continue to go to at least 62, right? Channel breaks, especially in a bear market, to the downside usually means continuation. All right, we've seen this over and over and over and over again. So I don't get why some people refuse to read the charts. We have channel breaks all over the place. Just go look. I can show you channel breaks here, a channel break there, channel breaks right here, right here, right here. We have a whole bunch of channel breaks all over the place. When you're dealing with the trend and you get breaks like this, percentage-wise is high. That is, the market is pretty much going to continue that way. So the bear market works just like a bull market. Okay, guys. And you just have to deal with that if you're a long-term investor. Most people, I know for a fact, most people are not long-term investors because they get so a lot of people are impatient, number one, and number two, I can tell by the energy most people have. When you tell them, hey man, we are in the bear market, they get upset. Okay, if you was truly a long-term investor, you wouldn't get upset when I say we are in a bear market, and this bear market could last for years. Okay, you truly are not 100% a long-term investor. Okay, because some of you guys wouldn't be acting like the way you do. All right, what's going on, TB dollar signs? All right, so that being said, I can almost guarantee you most people that watch my live streams are not long-term investors. Okay, it's funny because I'm trying to give you a good example. Okay, it's almost like someone telling you, hey man, I'm a good guy, I'm gonna change. Let's say that you know someone that went to jail or something, right? You know someone that went to jail, okay, and he got out of jail, and he said, I'm a changed man, I'm going to change, blah blah blah. Next thing you know, next week he robs a store, he's back in jail. Let's say he gets out 5 years later, he goes back, he says, I'm a changed man, blah blah blah. Okay, you can say you're a long-term investor, and you might feel it like it might be true when you say it. It feels like you feel like you believe it. Okay, but your actions is telling me something else. Okay, your actions is telling me something else. So I can tell that most people are not long-term investors, and there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, because as a human being, we are impatient, and I don't expect a lot of you guys to be long-term investors. Okay, I told you guys before, long-term is usually only for the rich because they have so much money. Right? Let me repeat that again. They have so much money that when they invest in a long-term strategy, they're not worrying about that money. Okay, they actually forget about I forgot. Oh man, I bought that stock. Oh, I forgot about that. Okay, because they have so much money coming in that long-term stock or coin they bought, it's not really, it's not on the top of their list. Okay, so you have to understand, most of you guys that watch my live stream, I don't care what you say, you are not a long-term investor. Okay, you might feel like you're a long-term investor inside, but you're not, because you get antsy and you get nervous when the market goes down. Okay, and I can tell that when I come on my live stream and I say, hey bro, it's a strong possibility Bitcoin can break these lows and continue to go down to 3,000. Some of you guys just get upset, like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. He said that, but at the same time, guys, me personally, my job as a professional, I'm here to let you know that there's other ways to make money. Okay, it's not just about buy and hold. Okay, there's other ways to make money. All right, and that's my job. Like it or not, some of you guys don't like the truth, which is whatever. But my job is to report to you, hey man, these big dogs, a lot of these guys are lying to you. The news is lying to you. Society is lying to you. And there's other ways to make money. Okay, it's my job to report that because I'm a regular guy just like you. Okay, that was lost. All right, I started in the bear market. I lost a lot of money in the bear market. So I'm trying to help you guys. Hey man, I understand bear markets. I don't want you guys to lose a lot of money. Okay, but you don't have to lose money. You can either join the bear market and make money that way, or you can do short-term trading. Okay, and that's what I'm trying to do. All right. So right now, you see with Bitcoin, we had break of this channel, a pullback, and another continuation. So I do expect Bitcoin to at least maybe we hit the 62 mark. So we might find some type of resistance. But I definitely expect this thing to either consolidate, which Bitcoin has been doing a lot lately. So we might just consolidate at this level, or you might just continue to go back down. Okay, we will see. We will have to see if they catch some type of support around here. But I'm thinking maybe consolidation. Okay, and we will definitely see from there. It could definitely bounce from here. All right, try to test out the breakout, because a lot of times the market loves to do that. Okay, when it breaks out, it loves to go to a specific level. Okay, and then go right back to the breakout, which is this area right here. Okay, this is the breakout. So I wouldn't be surprised. It wouldn't surprise me if Bitcoin goes back to the breakout level and maybe find resistance right here. Okay, so that's what we're looking at when it comes to Bitcoin. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. Let's look at these other coins. I didn't look at any coins today, so let's look at Ethereum. So Ethereum, we said it had resistance right here, and that's what's going on right now. Sellers came in at this level, start selling and pull back, which, like I said, guys, is normal. Okay, most people get excited when they see green bars or see a pullback. That's all it is, guys. The major trend is to the downside. Okay, so when you see the market going up, don't get excited, right? Just remind yourself, hey man, this could be just a move up just to go right back down. Okay, you always have to remind yourself that, because if you don't, you're just going to be like the average Joe, always disappointed and getting mad at the world, right? Let's look at Litecoin. Let's see. Yeah, whoa, Litecoin sold off pretty hard. Okay. All right. So Litecoin looks like definitely is going to break these lows real soon. And guys, when I think when Litecoin or whenever any of these coins break these lows, I think we're going to have another period where we just sell off like crazy. Maybe like this, when we selling off like crazy. Okay. Or maybe like this. I think it's going to be another period where we just sell off like crazy, because honestly, we haven't been doing anything for a long time. So I think we're going to have another period of just sell off. Okay, just selling. All right. If you guys have any questions, type it in. Let me see here. Litecoin. Who else? Let's look at Tron real quick. Let me take a sip of my juice. Let me see here. Yeah, so Tron looks weak. We had resistance right here. The bulls trying to bring this up, but we couldn't. All right. So sellers coming in right now. All right. Let me see. Litecoin. We went to Litecoin already. Let's look at Bitcoin Cash. All right. Bitcoin has. Okay. Yeah. Bitcoin Cash was definitely looked like a pump and dump. Okay. We have resistance right here. Boom. As soon as I hit test resistance, it poked out of the resistance just a tiny bit, okay, but it came right back in. So this definitely looks like something that me personally, I wouldn't be trying to buy at all. All right, and this is why, guys, this is why I tell you all the time, guys. It's very important to know how to read the charts, because the charts will become your best friend. Okay, it will help you navigate through these markets that's manipulated by the big dogs. Okay, these big dogs, they control the market. Okay, so in order to speak their language, okay, you have to learn how to read the charts, because if you don't, you're always going to be that guy that's always buying the dips because your favorite YouTuber told you to do it, or you read the news and the news saying that Wall Street is coming in, so buy. You're always going to be that guy that is going to be left behind just because you don't know how to read the charts. Okay. Guys, this is what I do. I do this full time. I've been doing this for 11 years. I work my butt off, and me personally, I love the charts because it guides me. Okay, it shows me the way, because I don't have to. I don't think most people understand how the market is designed. Okay, it's designed to take your money. It's not designed for the average Joe to win. Okay. Most people believe that it's designed or is based on supply and demand, or is based on fundamentals. It's not, guys. It's based on how can we trick how can we trick the general public, and how can we take their money? Okay, because in order for the rich to make money, someone has to lose. I'm gonna get to you guys' questions right now. Just give me a second. I'm trying to figure out, did I miss a coin? I think I missed XRP. So let's look at XRP real quick. So XRP looks like it's going to test out this breakout. Okay, and I told you guys that earlier. The market loves to test breakouts. Okay, so that's what it looks like it's gonna happen. Okay, we broke out of this situation right here. So it looks like we want to test this breakout. Okay, now when it goes back to this breakout, is it going to find support? That's the next question. Okay, we will see. It all depends on Bitcoin and all the rest of these coins. So let's see what I see in the chat rooms. Let me give you guys a round of applause. I don't think I gave you guys a round of applause. Shout out to everybody that's here though. Let me give you guys a round of applause. All right. All right. So let's see here. All right, Dom. What's going on, Dom? Let me see. Does someone have at least a tip to trade, a pattern to follow, please? I mean, okay. So let me see what's going on here. If you guys have any questions, definitely shoot me your questions. Movie coming out 2019, The Lost Moon Boys. That's funny. Let me see here. Well, we are no, not I'm trying to pronounce your name, but no, not really. Because you have to understand that just because the market is going down doesn't mean that you have to lose money. Okay, that's number one. You have to understand that. Okay, the beauty of life. I told you guys multiple times. Okay, I spoke about this on my live stream multiple times. The beauty of life is tomorrow is a new day. Okay, tomorrow is a new day. You can always start. Have a fresh start tomorrow. Okay, so if you want to change, you could, but it's at the end of the day, it's on you. It's on you. Hold your breath said the bear market is about to end 18th. XRP will shoot to the stars. Sounds good. Sounds good, right? Bitcoin 3K, XRP 59. Sounds good. Dom said XRP, please. Yeah, I just did XRP, so I'm late to your thing. Okay. What's going on, G Baker? All right. So that's what we have here, guys. We have a market that is in a bear trend. Okay. We're seeing pumps all over the place, but these pumps are just, if you just go, just use common sense, just squeeze out the chart. Okay. These pumps that we saw on these charts, or that the pumps that you see on these charts, is just a small pullback. Okay, look at the larger view. The larger view is the market was just going down, tanking. Okay, the market can't go down in a straight line, so we have to have these pullbacks. Okay, and this is what we're seeing right now. This pullbacks. Okay, pullback. So for you guys that are lost, I urge you guys to learn how to read the charts, because it's going to help you. Definitely going to help you. Because if you go to the news, right, and read the news, you're going to rely on the news. You have to understand that the news is not there to help you. Okay, the news is just to get viewers to come to their page all the time. So they will tell you what you want to hear, okay, but they're not going to tell you the truth. All right. So right here they're saying that they think that since the economy is in debt, that once it goes down, it can lead to a big crypto boom. Okay, and most of you guys will actually believe this stuff because you don't have a strategy. Okay, So when you don't have a strategy, you're gonna believe anything you read. Anything you read, you're gonna believe. Because you don't have a strategy. And this doesn't mean anything because there's no guarantee people will take their money and put it in the crypto world. Because just think about it for a second, guys. All right. If I'm losing money from the stock market, you think I'm just going to put it in the crypto market? The crypto market is going down right now. Okay, it's going down. It's unregulated. Nope. Come on, guys. People that are in crypto world, yes, we love cryptos, right? We love crypto. So, we would do something like that. But people that don't know anything about crypto, they're not going to do that, guys. Let me see here. Let me see if I see any questions, guys. Shoot your questions. What's going on, Keith? What's going on, Golden Arm? XLM. XLM. All right. Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks a lot, guys, for coming through. I appreciate it. All right. XLM is basically looking like Bitcoin, okay, where we just have this big triangle, okay. And, it's not really doing anything. We just got this big triangle going. Okay. It looks like it's trying to break this triangle. Okay. But it doesn't mean anything. I'm going to tell you why it doesn't mean anything. Because the whole market itself is in a bear market. Okay. So this definitely looks like a Bitcoin situation where it's just consolidating, but Bitcoin just shot down, and if it continues to go down, I definitely expect XLM to go down too. Okay. Unfortunately, the crypto world is everything is tied together, with Bitcoin. XLM is better than Ripple, supposedly made better. Well, put it like this. This is why I'm trying to help you guys, okay? I'm trying to help you guys understand the financial world, okay? The financial world is not about who's better. It's not about supply and demand. It has nothing to do, I wish it was about that. But the financial world it's another beast, guys, okay? We all know that Bitcoin is slow. Bitcoin is not the best coin out here, but it's still number one. Okay? So instead of saying this coin is better than that coin, okay, you have to just jump into reality and see what's on top and what's not on top. Okay? Just like if you look at let me see. Tesla. Okay, Tesla is not making profits, but it's going up, right? It was going up. A lot of people try to short it. They got their butt kicked. Okay, but Tesla should be lower than where it's at right now, but it's going up. Welcome to the financial world. Okay. It is what it is. So the market is not about who's better, what's better. It's about, okay, how can I make this money from this chart? Okay, that's why I don't really get into the buy and hold game, because it's a bunch of baloney. Okay, I have to, it's based on my beliefs and what I have to believe in. But at the end of the day, how can we make this money? All right. You said somebody's pumping the views. Yeah, I don't know who's. Let me see. And guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. Please let me know. Okay. And Bruno, what's going on, Bruno? We're going to make money in the next 8 days. I don't know what you mean by that, Wesley. Okay. I don't know what you mean by that. Okay. But anybody that's watching my live stream right now, if you don't know, I am a professional day trader. And I have a class that's going on. Basically, the class is over, but I record the sessions of the classes, and I have that going on right now. Today is the last day to sign up, okay, for this. So if you guys don't have this by now, check it out, because it is a rare situation, because it's not going to be available to the public anymore after today, okay? Unless you're trying to give me $5,000, you know. But it's not going to be available to the public anymore after this. And the stuff that I teach in is definitely some valuable information. So you guys, if you have if you want to take your trading to the next level, definitely check that out. I have a student already that went live. He actually made $3,000 in 3 days. So that's what's possible. Okay, and this is what I tried to tell you guys. All right, I'm trying to help you guys see the picture, because most of you guys are new to this. You're new to the financial world, and you don't really understand how it works. You think it's based on fundamentals. You think it's based on news. You think it's based on a lot of stuff that honestly it doesn't really matter. Okay, that stuff is just old news. What matters is, hey man, how can I make money right now? Okay, how can I make money consistently? That's what matters at the end of the day. Okay, most of these YouTubers don't know what they're talking about. Okay, and also with this course, if you want to pay with the Bitcoin or with Bitcoin, you can definitely email me. All right, but these YouTubers, you know, they don't know what's going on. So that what I'm noticing lately is a lot of YouTubers will give you bullish situation, like a bullish version and a bearish version. Okay, and the reason why I don't do that is because I am a professional trader. So I would never ever give you a bullish scenario in a bearish scenario, because that doesn't make sense. All right, because you're going to, first of all, it's going to confuse you. Okay, second of all, that's not going to help you make money. So if the bears are in control, I'm only going to talk about how can you make money to the downside. If the bulls are in control, I'm only going to talk about how you can make money to the upside. Okay, imagine me. Okay, for you guys that just don't understand what I'm saying, imagine me last year talking about going short. Okay, imagine me saying, hey guys, I think you should go short the whole year. Okay, imagine me saying, hey man, go short right here. Go short right here. Go short right here. You know, you guys would just basically lost. You guys would got wiped. You know, you got wiped. Your bank account would be gone, right? And you guys would probably be homeless right now. So you have to understand how it works. You know, I'm not going to talk about a bullish scenario and a bearish scenario. Because it doesn't make any sense. All right. These guys, the reason why they say that, because they don't want to lose viewers. Okay, so they try to play both sides. I'm not here to play both sides. I'm here to give you the truth. Right, the truth is we down. We are in a bear market. It proves it. I mean, the chart proves that we are in the bear market. Okay, every time we go up, we just shoot right back down. Okay, I don't get why some of you guys are, you know, why you want to lose or why you want to suffer. Okay. This is not the same market. This is not 2017. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Ahmed said, I'm glad I found your stream, man. Shout out to you, man. Crypto GDC. I don't know what that means. I'm buying all the dips. Hugo said he's buying all the dips. Let me give him a round of applause. Hugo. Guys, Hugo said he's buying all the dips. All right, let's give Hugo a round of applause. He's buying all the dips. Oh man, so people like Hugo, guys, you have to understand. People like Hugo is the reason why the market exists right now. Okay, you have to understand how the market works. We have to have losers. Okay, so let's say, right, Hugo bought right here, which, you know, is a possibility, right? Let's say he bought right here. A guy like me will be selling right here, taking his money. Okay, so we need guys like Hugo to continue to buy the market. So let me give him another round of applause. Congratulations to everybody that's buying the dips. Thank you. You are supplying me and my traders with a lot of money. Okay, you're basically paying our bills. So shout out to you guys. Thanks a lot for buying the dips. All right, so let's go to the questions here, Matthew. So when do you have when do your class anytime is not? You probably was rushing when you was typing, Matthew. So I'm trying to understand what you're saying. You said, so when can do your class anytime? All right. So basically, I think you're saying when can we I guess when can I look over your class, or can we look at your class anytime? Okay. So that's a great question. All right. So this class that you see right in front of you is not going on right now, meaning that it was over last week. All right. When you sign up, what you're going to get is the recordings. Okay. The recordings from last week. Okay. It was a 2 weeks. It was a 2-week class. Okay. You're going to get all the recordings from 2 weeks. All right. And when you sign up, you're going to get the Discord room. All right. You're going to get the Discord room. You're going to get all the recordings. You're going to see me trade live. Okay, because I recorded it. I trade live right in front of my students. I made money. You're going to see all that. You're going to get access to my students that's already in the class, and you have up to 5 day trading sessions where I just go over your trades. Okay, so whenever you trade, okay, I will go over your trades. You have up to 5 day trading sessions. Okay, so you can ask me any questions too when you get this course. All right, but this is only for the people that want to take their trading to the next level. All right, I want to build 6-figure traders. All right, that's my goal, to build 6-figure traders. And you're not going to do that by buying and holding. Okay, buying and holding won't allow you to eventually quit your job. All right, because with this you can actually make consistent money. Okay, I told you already. One of my students actually made $3,000 in 3 days. Okay, and basically he doubled the amount of his investment. Okay, so it's only for people that want to take their business to the next level. That's it. It's not for people that want to, be a guy that think this is a video game. It's not. Okay, trading and investing is a business. So I hope you guys get to that next level. All right. I want you to tell your favorite XRP YouTuber to show you live videos of him making money. He can't do that. Okay. But I'm here showing you with proof. How much do we need to get started after paying your class? So basically, after paying my class, okay, you can start with, depending on what you're training, you can start with 1,000 or 1,500 or 2,000. Okay, if you have more, that's even better. All right, I show you everything. It's a step by step. It's I made sure that the average person could actually understand. All right. Bruno said, thanks, Hugo. That's funny because Hugo said I'm buying the dips and that's it, right? You notice that he didn't type anything else later after that, because we thanking him. Yo, thanks, Hugo. Hugo, please, thank you. Continue to buy the dips. We love it. And for the people that's that said XRP is going to $5. Where those guys at? Okay. They said at the end of the year XRP $5 or $10 or something like that. Okay, XRP, it can't even go to the high, which is like $3 and something. You really think in 1 month XRP is going to shoot up all the way to $3? Come on, guys. All right. And like I said before in my other live streams, we got in late, including myself. We got in late when it came to the crypto world. Okay, we got in late. I accept it, but some people here they don't want to accept it. All right. So let's see if I see any more questions here. Golden On said Hurricane Hugo. Crazy. Yeah, so guys, this is the last day for that. If you don't sign up for that, you definitely are missing. You are missing out. It's just what it is. Okay. So for you guys that don't understand how the game is run, it's controlled, guys. This whole game is controlled. You have to play the same game. The big dogs. You have to play the same game these guys are playing. Okay, because if you don't, you're gonna lose. It's just what it is. All right. I remember someone said, "Hey man, the big dogs said that by the end of this year the market is gonna be up." Or all the big dogs are saying the market is going to be up by the end of this year. And you really have to ask yourself, you really think millionaires and billionaires is going to give you inside information? No. All right? You think they're going to come out to the public and say, hey, guys, hey, public, buy. I want you to become a millionaire. No. Because this game is based on me taking your money. That's what it is. All right, and most of your guys, y'all, your guys are listening to people that's on your same level. Okay, most of your crypto YouTuber right now, the one that you listen to, the one that have 100K plus subscribers, these guys are on your same level. Okay, yes, they might have a nice car. All right, and that's because they have a lot of subscribers. And YouTube is paying, actually you guys are paying for his car because he has a lot of subscribers, whatever. They get a lot of money for ads, whatever. But these guys are on your same level because they are trying to figure out the market just like you. All right, they don't know anything. They don't know more than you. Okay, these guys do not know more than you. All they doing, if you go look at it. All they doing is reading you the news. You can do that yourself. Show me how to make money from these markets. Because they can't do it because they're not doing it full time. So how can you step up your game or go to the next level if you are listening to people that's on your same level? It's impossible. So some of you guys need to wake up. And people get mad at me when I say it looks like Bitcoin going to break these levels and continue to go down. They get mad at me. But I don't control the market. I'm not the one that's bringing down the market. You should be getting mad at the whales. Oh, matter of fact, the real person you should get mad at is yourself. You should get mad at yourself for being too lazy to figure out how the market works. That's what you should be mad at, yourself. You want to blame everybody else. You want to blame me. You want to blame him. You want to blame Tom. You want to blame everybody else but yourself. Let me read these questions real quick. Less than 1% of the world is in crypto. I don't call that late. All right. So Crypto Addict said, and before I even get to Crypto Addict, let me shout out Golden Arm. The last day to change your life. 589ers. He's basically talking about this course right here. If you don't have this course, you're definitely missing out, because it's gonna be a rare course that you can't get. All right, unless you want to pay $5,000 to get it. Okay, it's gonna be a course that's not going to be available to the public anymore. So check that out. But let me give Golden Arm a round of applause. He's actually one of my day trading students. Okay, shout out Golden Arm for giving me that super chat. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. So let's go back to Crypto Addict. Crypto Addict said less than 1% of the world is in crypto. I don't call that late. All right. The reason why you don't call that late, because you don't understand how things work. Right? Let me break it down to you. We are late because the government is knocking down doors. Okay? They are coming in the crypto world. The crypto world wasn't designed for the government. It wasn't designed to have Wall Street to come in. All right? You have to understand why cryptocurrencies was designed in the first place. All right? It was to separate us from the government, right? We didn't want these guys to tell us what to do. Now they are in, and it's a wrap. All right? You can say whatever you want to say. Hey, man, hi, it is what it is. Okay? You don't understand how things work. The government is not going to let or allow the average guy to make billions of dollars and become so powerful. All right? This program is useless. Buy and hold. If you believe it in future. Oh man, you can tell he's crying, bro. You can tell he's crying when he's typing that. Okay? This program is useless. Buy and hold. If you believe in the future. Let me ask you a question, bro. All right? If you believe in buy and holds that much, let me ask you this. Why you guys are losing? Okay? Why you're down 80% or 90% this year? All right? Why guys like me and my students are making money right now in the present, and you guys are losing? Okay? Why he said day trading is gambling. And I'm so glad. I'm so happy he said that, because it's people like him that's why I take your money. Okay? He said day trading is gambling. Meanwhile, I have multiple of videos trading live with live money, showing you how I extract money from the markets. But somehow trading is gambling. The reason why it's gambling, because you're lazy. You are lazy. Ha ha. You're lazy. Ha ha. And you don't want to figure out how things work. Okay? You think that everything is just so easy. I'm going to buy and I'm going to make $1 million next year. But I'm here to tell you, bro, you're lazy. All right? You know, the moon boys always talking about what happened in the past. Yeah, you remember what happened in the past in 2017? We made a lot of money in 2017. Man, I don't care about the past, bro. What are you doing right now? Are you making money right now? The past is not going to save you. They always love to talk about the past. You think Bill Gates is talking about the past? No. Bill Gates is continuing. Why do you think he's making more? He's making money. Like, look at Bill Gates' track record, okay? From 99 until now, okay? Every single year or years, he's been making money, and his money been going up and up and up and up. He didn't say, you remember what I did in the past? No, bro. He's focused. All his energy is on the present moment. That's how you grow. You don't grow by talking about the past. Oh my goodness, bro. All right. So shout out to everybody that's here. And it's funny because when people come on my stream and you could tell that they're losers from the gate, right? What they love to do is they love to call me a scammer, right? Or they love to say, oh, you don't make money from day trading. They love to say all those stuff, but they don't have no proof, okay? And then when I show them proof that I'm making money from the markets, they don't know what to say. So they say, you don't know how to make no money. But I just showed you proof. All right? So none of you guys don't even know what you're doing. No, I didn't buy that. So let me see. Let me read these questions real quick. And Kiko Wave, if you are against me, why you are in? Why a guy like you is in my live stream? Okay. Goodness gracious. 18% college kids supposedly have crypto, but I don't know where you get the numbers from. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. What's going on, Leslie Savage? What's going on, Ken? Echo Crypt said, Ben, you're always on point. Shout out to you. And Knob, or Noob, whatever you want to call yourself, you know, Noob, you saying day trading is gambling, okay? I'm happy you saying that because I have multiple videos of me making money from your so-called gamble, right? And after that, you guys don't have nothing else to say, right? All you're saying is, oh well, that stuff doesn't work. I remember a guy said that, right? I came out with a video. He said technical analysis doesn't work. So I asked him. I said, okay. I replied to him. I said, so how come I'm making money? He said, he started laughing. He said, laugh out loud. I don't know. I don't know. That's your answer? You know, I showed you guys I'm making money from this. What else you want? All right. So shout out to all the haters that's here. Let me get my loser button. Where my loser button at? So you guys are so lazy. Always talking about the past. You remember, guys? We made a lot of money in the past. 2017 was good, guys. Bro, I don't care about the past. The past is not going to pay your mortgage. It's not going to put you on a vacation. It's not going to help you live the life that you want to live. I'm a loser. You know what I mean? Ridiculous, bro. Like, your guys is out of control. So, let me clean up this. Let me clean up the live stream real quick because these guys are taking over. I don't mind you disagreeing with me, but when you take over the live stream, that's when I basically, get you out of here. All right. So that's why I get you out of here when you take over my live stream. I don't care if you disagree with me. You can disagree with me all day, okay? But when you try to take over my live stream, just because you mad because you can't figure out how to day trade, that's why, and it's funny because can you answer do you make calls in your day trading course? Is it just help us learn? Can you answer Dev? Why do you want me to answer Dev? Didn't you said that day trading is so funny? I mean, it's a gambling. Kiko Wave. I'm trying to figure out. Are you against? Are you against my live stream or you're not? Like, I'm trying to figure out. Okay. Because maybe I'm reading your thing wrong. Okay. I will get to Dev questions later. All right. Let me see what's going on here. All right, so Kika Wave said 1,000 is a lot for a course. There's a lot of people that teach crypto courses for 100 to 10K, blah, blah, blah. Is the information you learn worth the course, knowledge, power? Like I said, Kiko, I'm not sure if you're against me or not, but first of all, $1,000 for a course is not a lot of money, okay? I actually should be charging way more than this, okay? That's number one. Okay, number two, the money that you can make from this is going to be way over your initial investment. Okay, like I told you before, I had one person that went live already. Okay, and he made 3 times his investment already. Okay, he made $3,000 in 1 week. So how can you or anybody say this is a lot? It may be a lot to you. You have to understand. Okay. I can go to a grocery store right now. I can buy, let's say, $300 worth of groceries, right? The person that's next to me say, man, that's a lot of groceries. That's a lot of money. But to me, that's not a lot of money. So it might be a lot of money to you because you're not looking at it in a way where how much you can actually make long term, okay? And how much you can make yearly. You're just looking at the price tag, okay? And this is why I tell people this is not for everybody. It's only for the people that want to take their trading business to the next level. It's just what it is. I'm not trying to market this to everybody. If I was, I would leave it open for you guys to continue to buy it. Okay, this is closed today. Gone. Bye. Okay, it's going to be very hard to get. You got $5,000. That's probably the only way you're going to get it. All right. Let me see. Let me go to these questions right here. All right. So let me go to these questions. I'm just asking, is it possible to extend your course to Wednesday? Let me ask you a question, Dev. What do you mean by that? I mean, why? I guess because are you looking to buy it on Wednesday? Dev said, do you make calls in your day trading course to help us learn? I don't make live calls because it's a class where I help I help traders become 6-figure traders, okay? If you see me trade live every single day, that's not going to help you. I'm going to tell you why, right? Because, right, let's say that you go and you watch a surfer on TV, right? And he's teaching you how to surf, right? And you learning from him every single day. He's teaching you how to surf. Bro, if you go on that surfboard, I can guarantee you're going to get wiped out that first time, the second time. It doesn't matter how much I teach you. What matters is you take what I tell you and you practice, okay? This is why my student was already, he already made 3 times his investment. It's because he took what I told him and he went to the market, okay? Now, do I have videos of me trading live in front of my students? Yes, I have that. Okay, I had a class when I was trading live in front of my students. I have that. All right. But I'm not going to sit here every single day, trade live in front of you. First of all, I'm a professional trader. Okay, so I need to focus. Okay. If you know anything about day trading, you need to be focused. It's just like a doctor. Okay, a doctor that's doing heart surgery. He's not going to have the family and the friends come all in the room. So I need to be laser focused. Okay. So I don't have that, right? But what I have is material that will change your life, that will help you get to that next level, help you quit your job, right? And also have where you can actually send me 5 day trading sessions, and I will correct all your trades, okay? And that will help you out a lot. And if you have any other questions, you can definitely help me. Not help you, but you could email me. Indian Vibe said day trading is pushing people to take more risks. Is it possible to go bankrupt? Well, Indian Vibes, man, you got a lot to learn, bro. Man, you got a lot to learn. Okay? Because with day trading, what most people don't understand what day trading is, you don't take a lot of risk. Okay? So let's say what I want. Okay. Let's say I want to risk $100 per trade. That's it, guys. Can you tell me, right? Let's say, I have an account, okay, and I'm risking $100 per trade. How can you say that's risky? You can't, okay? You know what's actually risky? Buy and hold it. Because when most people buy and hold, they put up lump sum of money, right? They put that lump sum amount, and they put maybe 50,000, 100K on one stock or one coin, and if that stock doesn't work out, you're done. That's risky. I don't get how most people swear that buy and hold is 100% guarantee. I don't get it, bro. I got an email of a person told me, hey man, I'm down 150K. So, you can say whatever you want to say. I got videos showing you I day trade. What else you want me to? You want me to flip? You want me to? I don't know what you want me to do. Keith said XRP is my favorite coin. I wanted to succeed, but buying and holding is only one strategy. There's other strategies. Yes, okay. All right. And Keith basically is 100% correct, okay? He's 100% correct because he said that XRP is his favorite coin, but at the same time, okay, there's multiple strategies, right? And this is what I'm trying to help you guys realize, right? Help you guys realize that, bro, you can, let's say you want to buy and hold, fine, you can do that, okay? But you can have multiple strategies, right? Over here, we don't follow the crowd because the crowd is always wrong, okay? The rich is not following the crowd. Over here, we have very high standards. When the crowd go left, we go right. When they buy, we short. We do things differently over here. When they buy the dips, we wait for high quality setups so we can short it, so we can make money. Because I don't care what anyone says. It's not about the technology at the end of the day. It's about, hey, bro, how can we make more money? And the reason why I've been so hard on you guys lately is because I don't want you guys to lose money. You might feel that I'm negative, okay? But I don't. You guys, you have to understand. I'm not negative. I don't want you guys to lose money because this bear market is no joke. Like, you guys just really don't understand. And it's going to catch a lot of people off guard, wipe a lot of people out. Most people don't, believe it, but they think I'm talking negative. But bro, this is what I do. I've been doing this for 11 years. Meanwhile, your favorite YouTuber that you listen to every single day, he been wrong the whole year. I don't get it. You got a guy like me, a professional that been right, this year and last year. And you got a guy that's not doing this full time and he's telling you to buy the dips and he been wrong the whole year and you listen to him. Bro, I don't get it. All right. But I'm the negative one. Of course, I'm the negative one, right? What I'm trying to do with my live stream is help people make money so they can quit their job. That's all. That's my main goal. My main goal, I told you guys before, it's deeper than crypto. Okay? I'm trying to help people quit their job. Your job is a trap. You can't quit your job by buying and holding. Okay? Because you're going to have years like this where the market's not doing anything. Okay? And it's not just 1 year. This could last for years. But most people are too lazy to even try to figure out how the market works. Okay? For all your guys that believe in buy and hold, let me ask you this. How is it working out for you right now? Okay? Are you making any money right now? And I'm not saying that to be negative. I'm just asking you a real question right now. When I day trade, I don't rely on the news. Everybody's looking for that big news. I don't rely on that when I day trade. I'm glad I day trade. I love it. It's not risky. It's risky because you heard about it. Okay, you heard that was risky. It's risky because you don't know what you're doing. I don't have to hold anything overnight. I can get my daily, weekly income. Okay, and it can replace your job. Some of you guys need to. Some of you guys have to wake up and not. Some of you guys just too lazy, man. Honestly. Crypto Addict says, if day trading is so easy, why are you selling videos? Bro, first of all, you don't even know the full story about this course. That's number one, okay? Crypto Addict. I can tell you're a loser because you wouldn't be on my live stream. I'm a loser. That means that you have a lot of time to be wasting. If you so-called hating on me, you have a lot of time, bro. You have a lot of time in your hands. Okay, so number one, you're a loser because I can tell. All right. Number two, you don't even know the story behind this course. All right. I wasn't even trying to create a course like this. All right. You can ask my subscribers. They've been asking me for at least 5 months. Hey, bro, teach us how to day trade. Hey, bro, teach us how to day trade. Hey, bro, teach us how to day trade. Hey, bro. I'm like, guys, all right. I'm going to finally do something, but I'm going to do it in the class, okay? I'm going to make it a class because I don't feel like making a product, okay? So you don't even know the whole story about this whole day trading thing and how it, how it is actually a real thing right now, okay? You don't even understand. I wasn't even trying to create a day trade class, okay? I mean, first of all, for all your guys that's hating on day trading and hating on me, what do you have to say about the videos where I trade live? What do you have to say about that? I don't get it. You just skip all that and you just say day trading is risky. So what about the trade? Bro, I'm showing you I'm making money. What about that? I mean, you just going to skip over that? I mean, I'm showing you guys proof and you just somehow skipping over that. Man, bro, I just don't get it. Sheesh. None of your YouTuber crypto investors is showing you proof. None of these guys. TB $, he said he's getting the course. I'm in, Ben. Let me give him a round of applause. TB $, said he's in. And let me give him a bomb. Let me give him that bomb button. TB $, said he bought the course. Let me give him that $. Let me give him bomb too. Let me give him another round of applause. And also let me give him that ka-ching button. Shout out to him, man. He's a winner. Straight up and down. TB $, is a winner. You don't have time for no excuses. Oh my gosh, day trading is risky. You don't got time for that, bro. 2019 is coming around the corner, and you're gonna keep on having excuses while Bitcoin is continuing to go down, XRP going down. All your guys' favorite YouTuber have all these predictions: Bitcoin going to 50K, XRP going to $10. But somehow I'm negative. Kiko Wave said, I like you till you made me feel like a bum. No, I'm not against anyone. I'm just realistic. I can't help anyone saying spending money, blah, 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 blah. I don't know how I made you feel like a bum. Okay, I really don't. I never said your name. Okay, so that's number one. Okay, I never said, yo, Kiko Waves or Kiko Swave, whatever, you know. I never said anything about you. You know, you probably said, oh my gosh, he's talking about me. So you basically said you calling your own self out. You can go look at all my videos. I never said anything about Kiko Swave, never. So you probably said, you know, man, he's basically talking about me. I'm lazy. Level the 8, I think I'm saying that right. You said, what can I get out of the product you're selling? I'm hesitant because I feel I know a lot about trading, especially the fundamentals. Is there something special? Okay, so level the 8, right? I'm gonna go back and forth with you, okay? Because this is a good question, all right? So in when I go back and forth with you, I don't want you to think I'm attacking you, or I don't want you to be sensitive, okay? Because this is some life-changing stuff, okay? So let me ask you a question, okay? You said, I feel I know a lot about trading already, okay? So let me ask you my first question, okay? Are you trading right now and making consistent money, okay? That's my first question. Are you trading right now and are you making consistent money with the knowledge that you know already? Are you to the point where saying, yo, I'm about to quit my job, bro, I'm making so much money, bro? Are you to that point? Okay, so we're gonna have a back and forth conversation. Let me see here. I'm able to swing, putting the time in, working full time. Am I able to swing, putting in the time I need full time? Ben, I'm trying to figure out. Am I going to be able to swing, putting in the time I need, working full time? Ben, not yet. Hold up. Oh, okay. So you said you ain't buy yet. So you said I'm trying to figure out your question, TB $. You said I'm going to able to swing. I don't, you know. I'm trying to figure out what this course is TB $. This course is strictly for day trading. Okay, it's strictly for day trading. Okay, so if it's not for swing trading, maybe that's what I'm trying to. Okay. You said if I work full time. Okay, so let me ask you a question. Do you have any days off during the week? All right. Because I have people that work full time, but they have maybe Monday off or Tuesday off. Oh, so basically you said, will I have enough time to put in the necessary work for day trading? TB $, if you work full time, yes. How I got to this level is because I was working full time. I was still working full time, studying the charts. Okay, a lot of people that's in my class right now, they still working full time. Okay, they still working full time, but they studying. Okay, so it's 2019. I'm telling you, all you guys, it's 2019. There's no more excuses. you had to understand, before I even got to this level, I was working 6 days a week. All right, still studying the market. Kiko Waves. Basically, I said that you said 950 is a lot of money. I said it's not a lot of money. It's probably a lot of money to you. Okay, if you took that the wrong way, or you got offended because of that, then I don't know what to say. All right, that's like a billionaire come to me and say, hey bro, I'm selling this Lamborghini. I asked him how much you selling it for. He said 2,000. Let's say he said 2,000. 200 grand. Okay, I'm like, man, 200 grand. That's a lot of money. He gonna probably look at me crazy, like, yeah, that's a lot of money to you, but So, like I said before, bro, it is what it is. Let me see here. I have had success with stream trading via Trader, blah blah. Plugged the power a year ago, made 7 then, but not consistent. Okay, so that's the reason why I asked you that level to 8 is because even if you know a lot about trading, you have to understand. A lot of my students know a lot about trading too. Okay, and I told them about this in the beginning when I first started the first class. Okay, I told them, hey man, you might know a lot. Okay, you might know a lot. You might know some of the stuff I even teach you, but you don't know how to put the pieces together to make a consistent, profitable strategy. Okay? It's a difference between knowing a lot and actually having a consistent, profitable strategy. And that's what I did for my students. Okay? I put together a consistent, keyword, consistent, profitable strategy that will help them extract money from the markets. All right? I gave them a lot of examples, and that's the difference between my course versus probably any other course you probably took before. I'm not able to quit my job from trading because I haven't been consistent. I always thought you needed more capital. No, okay. You don't need capital. Okay? You don't need a lot of capital. Put it like that. All right. It's optional. What I would tell people is you slowly build up your account. Okay. So, for example, I have a guy that made over he doubled his account already. All right. I think he only put like 2,000 in his account, and he made 3,000, whatever. So with that type of money, you don't need a lot of money, okay? All right. So if you put if you put 2,000 in your account, and you are able to extract 2,000 a week from the markets, that's a lot, bro. Okay, but I tell everybody, listen, man, baby steps first, and then you can build up your account. All right. Quincy Joe said this channel is all about buying your class. Quincy, roll. First of all, you're a loser. Number one. Let me go back to my loser button, because if you wasn't a loser, you wouldn't be on my live stream. Okay. I'm a loser. You got so much time on your hand, bro. You got so much time on your hand. Second of all, these are questions that people are asking me. All right. Questions that people are asking me. If you just look at the chat, it's not me trying to do anything. I told you guys this is the last day, so that's why a lot of people have a lot of questions. Quincy, loser. All right. People have a lot of questions because after today, this won't be available. Okay, and some people actually, want to actually take their trading to the next level. and it seems like you don't. So just because you don't doesn't mean people don't want to. Matthew said, been watching you for a few weeks. I'm in. Just sign up. How do I get this started? Woo! Let me give him that round of applause, guys. Guys, all my traders, all my students, guys, all my day trading students, give Matthew a round of applause, guys. Give Matthew a round of applause. You just signed up. Okay, he's a part of the day trading community. I told you guys, I want to build six-figure traders. This is only for the elite, all right? I don't want any losers in my chat room. It's just what it is, all right? I've been doing this for so long, bro. Right? I'm originally from New York. I moved from New York probably, I don't know, 3 years ago, right? I know a lot of people from Wall Street, okay? These guys will laugh at you if you say that day trading is risky. They will laugh at you, bro. I know a guy right now, okay? Right now. His account is probably well over $50 million. And this is what he do. He day trades all day, bro. 50 million. None of you guys will never see 50 million in your life, okay? These guys on Wall Street are making so much money. It's ridiculous, all right? For all you guys that claim that day trading is risky, what do you think Goldman Sachs, the banks, the hedge funds, and all these other big firms, what do you think these guys are doing? They have a whole bunch of traders trading their capital, making money every single day. So how is day trading risky and these big dogs are doing it every single day? I don't get it, bro. Some of you guys are just so brainwashed. Man, I mean, come on, guys. So Matthew, you said, how do I get in? Matthew, when I get off this live stream, I'm going to email you. Okay, Matthew, are you still on this live stream? When I get off of this live stream, okay, I'm going to email you everything, okay? But you should get an email right now. You should have an email right now, okay? Yes, Matthew, do you see an email right now? Level to 8 said, I'm in. I will email you later today. Shout out to Level to 8. Let me give him a round of applause. He's in too. See, these guys, these guys, this is what I'm talking about, guys. These guys want to change their life, right? I don't get some of you people like I show you guys proof. Like, I don't know what else do you want me to do. I show you proof of me trading, making live money, and you guys are still talking nonsense. I don't get it. I have multiple videos. Just go click. If you know, I know you guys is lazy. Click and go on my channel and look at my videos. Goodness gracious. But I may have screwed up and signed up somehow. Do I do it again? Oh, you screwed up? So let me check. All right, let me check my records. Let's see if I see you right now. Matthew, let me see if I see you right now, Matthew. All right, I'm going to check my records. Level to 8. Level to 8. Are you still here? You know, like I said, guys, I just don't get it. You know, none of your XRP or crypto YouTubers is showing you proof. I'm here showing you videos, and you guys are still talking trash. I just don't get it. All right. So level to 8. You said you signed up? I'm trying to see. Because I'm looking at the records. All right. All right, so level to 8. Can you tell me the first 2 letters of your email address? And Matthew, are you still here too? Tell me the first 2 letters of your email address because I see only one order. Okay, so Matthew, are you still here too? Okay, so I don't see your order, MJ. I only see TB. All right. Oh, TB dollar sign. See, that's the only one I see. I only see TB. All right. So that's TB dollar sign. That's it. Oh, level 8. Okay. So you said you haven't ordered yet. Okay. All right. I hear you. All right. So Matthew, yes, Matthew. I don't see your order, Matthew. So that means that somehow it didn't go through. If you have any problems ordering, it should go through because you're going through PayPal, okay? And you know, my students really didn't have any problems with ordering, but let's say you did. Let's say you do have problems. Email me, okay? Here's my email address. Yeah, all right. You say you'll hit me up later. All right, no problem. All right. Shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Appreciate it, man. Man, Quincy Roll, are you still in, bro? Like, why are you still here, bro? Goodness gracious. You know, I mean, I understand you're a loser, but why are you still in my chat room, bro? Goodness gracious, bro. Like, relax. Because you can say whatever you want to say. Nobody's going to believe you because they understand, you know, what I do. Nobody's going to believe you. So that's why I laugh at these guys when they talk trash. Like, nobody on my chat room is going to believe you because they see proof all the time from me. Okay? Like, oh my gosh, bro. You know, and look at TB Dollar Sign. TB Dollar Sign said, Quincy, I bought Ben's last course and I'm still making money. That's what sold me. Goodness gracious. You know what I mean? I don't know how much proof y'all guys want. Shout out to TB Dollar Sign. He said that he's still making money from my last course. And that's what's selling me. All right, so Matthew, yeah, I don't see your let me see, Matthew. Yeah. So Matthew, are you still having problems or let me know. So let's go to these these charts real quick because I know you guys is like, yo, what's going on, man? Like the reason why I'm so caught up with these questions is because it's the last day and people asking me questions. So I'm not gonna stop. I ain't gonna say no, man. Don't ask me questions. Some people want to take their trading to the next level. So right now with Bitcoin, what happened is we can just go down slowly, or we can chop around a little bit around here. Okay, so we can just chop around. You know, let's say Bitcoin bounce from here. We might just keep on chopping around, you know. Maybe find a base just to continue to go back down, or we just might just go back and test the breakout. Okay, and that's what if Bitcoin is going to test the breakout, that's what I'm going to look. I'm going to look to see if Bitcoin find resistance at the breakout. All right, because if it find resistance at the breakout, that's usually not a good sign. All right. These other altcoins is telling me, because you remember these altcoins, a lot of these guys are leading indicators. So Litecoin itself, Litecoin is actually telling me, man, this thing looks like it want to. Last time I looked at it, it looked like it wants to go down and break these lows. All right, if you look at Litecoin, it looks I think out of all these coins, Litecoin looks like it's ready to break. It looks like it's ready to go down, like right now. So keep an eye on Litecoin. Litecoin looks so weak right now. All right, so weak. Shout out to you, Kiko Swave. Like I said, I don't have nothing against you. And I have nothing against anybody that's subscribed to me. All right. The reason why I'm hard on people this month and this month only is because 2019 is coming. All right. I'm tired of seeing people just fall for these crazy news stories. I mean, how many times are you gonna fall for these news stories? Like, it's time to wake up, right? You can call me negative. You can call me whatever you want to call me. Okay. If I'm here to spreading the truth, and I'm helping people make money, I don't care what names you call me, bro. I know that I'm doing something right in my heart. I know that when I close this live stream, all right, I can go to sleep at night and feel good. Okay? I don't know how some of these YouTubers go to sleep at night. They telling you to buy the dips, and I guarantee you these guys are not buying the dips. But they telling you to buy the dips. It's ridiculous. All right? I'm trying to help you guys get to the next level. I do this full time. I'm showing you guys. I have multiple videos. You can go on my YouTube channel. Multiple videos of me trading live. I don't know what else you want me to do, bro. What else you want me to do? I don't get it. All right. Let's see here. Quincy said, let me hear that loser song once again. Quincy, man, you don't have to be a loser, bro. The reason why I do that, I only do that to trolls, okay? The people that's very aggressive, you know, trying to take over the chat room. So I just try to, you know, make fun of those guys. But, you know, all jokes aside, I'm probably one of the nicest people you ever meet in person. And I care about people, all right? I care about people. It's just how I'm raised, okay? My mother was a single parent raising 3 boys, okay? We went to church a lot. So I'm a guy that just have a good heart, all right? But at the same time, I know when to give tough love, okay? Some people will view it as me being negative, which is okay. Okay? A lot of people didn't agree with Jesus Christ, right? A lot of people didn't agree with Jesus Christ or Martin Luther King, okay? So it is what it is, you know. I'm ready for whatever, but at the same time, I'm trying to help you guys, all right? I just don't get. I mean, look at this. I mean, Litecoin shot up, and it's basically the same thing, guys. I don't get why you guys are so excited when you see the market going up. Like, bro, we've been doing this the whole year, right? Up, back, right back down. I just don't get it, guys. I mean, how that is that me talking negative, and I'm just reporting to you guys what I see on the chart. And all I'm saying is, bro, just watch out for that. All right? I understand this because I do this full time, but most of you guys don't understand it. So I'm telling you guys, watch out. If you guys have any more questions, let me know. Matthew, if you're still on this live stream, let me know. And if you have any questions, you can email me. If you want to pay in crypto, you can do that also. Matthew said, I'm working on it. You will see soon. Okay. So shout out to you, Matthew. You said he's working on it. Just let me know because I want to make sure that you get signed up. But like I said, if you have any problems, you can email me because I'm actually getting off this live stream soon. Golden Arm said you can lead a horse to the water, but you can't make him drink it. Let me give him a bomb. Let's give Golden Arm that bomb. Let me see if I get that bomb button. That is so true. Right? I can tell, I can tell people the truth, but I can't make them accept the truth. All right. Oh man. Shout out to all my students though. Thanks a lot for signing up. I definitely see you guys tomorrow in the chat room. Get ready to trade. All right. If you guys have any more questions about the crypto, let me know. Right now, all I see is just weakness. All right. There's really nothing else to say. It's just another pump and dump. Another promoting Wall Street, right? Like, these guys love to promote Wall Street, like Wall Street is going to save crypto. All right, they always use the Wall Street. Wall Street is the only thing these guys got now. Wall Street is coming in. They're going to bring billions of dollars. That's the only thing they have. All right. I want you guys to wake up. 2019 is coming very soon, guys. I don't want you guys to follow the crowd. Most people are lazy. Is this what it is? Most people are lazy, right? Eco Crip said, "Thanks, Ben, for your patience." No doubt, man. Shout out to you. Dan said, "Thanks, Ben. Think the world of you, bro. Keep up the great help." Shout out to Dan, man. Thanks a lot, Dan. I appreciate it, man. So Kiko Swave said, if you pay attention to 95% of YouTubers, like Superman, blah, 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 they talk about cryptos. They don't own or no interest in buying paid. They own or no interest in buying paid advertising. It says at the bottom of their channel. So basically, he's saying that at the bottom of the channel, they said they don't own crypto, or they. I mean, guys, most of these YouTubers are full of it. Okay, like I said, they very good at reading the news and sounding smart. But you guys could do the same thing, guys. You can read the news yourself. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to say. A lot of you guys are on the same level of a Superman or Crypto Crow or any of these guys. Okay, and that's why I'm trying to tell you, why would you listen to a guy that's on your same level, right? And he been wrong the whole year. Even that guy, what's his name? He seems like a decent guy, but I mean, that guy, what's his name? Alicio or whatever his name. I mean, he's saying that we in a bull market, okay? He's saying we in the bull market. He said Bitcoin haven't turned bearish yet. He giving a lot of people false hope. He said October we was gonna boom, and he has over 100-something K subscribers. Okay, guys, we can for all you guys that disagree with me, we can argue back and forth all day if we want. Okay, but all you have to do is just basically look at the rich, right? Look at the rich. Look what look at the game the rich is playing. Okay, they're not playing the same game. Okay, so ask yourself: is the rich playing the same game you are playing? No. The answer is no. Do the rich rely on secondary information that's available to the public? No. Now, do the rich buy and hold? Yes, they buy and hold. But do they rely on a buy and hold strategy? No. Okay? Do the rich make their money from, make their money daily, weekly, monthly? Yes. Do the rich put all their capital inside of one coin or one stock and say, I hope that stock is going to work out? No, they don't do that, guys. They don't take they billions of dollars that they work hard for and put it in one coin or one stock and say, I hope it works out. No, they don't do that. All right. So you can disagree with me all you want. I'm cool with that. But just follow the rich. They have all the answers. All right? They have all the answers, bro. Yeah. That guy, level to 8, that guy. He said that we've been bullish the whole year. Bitcoin hasn't turned bearish. He said October is going to be that big pop. We didn't get it. He always, I'm like, come on, bro, relax. I understand you have a lot of subscribers. You probably don't want to break their heart. Come on, guys, like, relax, bro. Let me see here. I'm reading these questions real quick, guys. Thoughts on VET? I don't really have no thoughts right now on VET or any crypto because we're in a bear market. So it's very hard to, does TradingView even have anything with? Let's look at VET. Let's see if I see the chart real quick. All right, so basically, yeah, I don't really have any thoughts on this. Let's see if I see a better chart. I don't think let's see. Gosh, hold on. No, I don't have a better chart than that. But yeah, I mean, it looks bearish like the other coins, all right? So basically, I understand some of you guys are waiting for that bull market. And if you are a real long-term investor, then you just have to wait, okay? It's just that's the price you have to pay when you are a long-term investor, okay? But I believe in my heart that most of you guys are not long-term investors. That's why I'm trying to give you guys another way to make money, because the reason why I don't believe you guys are long-term investors is because when you see the market go down, you get upset, okay? A long-term investor, they don't get upset when the market goes down, all right? Because they say, hey, man, I don't care, man. 20 years from now, I'll wait 20 years. Most of you guys want to make money now, and I say I agree with that. I understand you want to make money right now, okay? So I'm trying to help you. Okay, if you want to make money right now, bro, here's your options, all right? You can swing trade, you can day trade, all right? Thanks for the trolls. We can make it life easy. Let me see, blah, blah, blah. Jason, you said Jason been buying the dips. Who Jason? Jason's here? I don't know Jason. You said Jason, have you been buying a dip all year? How's it working out? Oh, here. Okay. So, bro, you said you keep on mentioning not buying a dip. Then what should you buy? What do we need to wait for? Jason, I just explained myself. Okay. I don't know if you was listening to me, but I just showed you that there's other options. All right. Imagine, put it like this, Jason. Imagine you decide to save all that money that you bought, right? All those dips that you bought, right? Save that money and put it to use, right? Instead of buying the dips, you can actually swing trade cryptos, right? Either to the downside or to the upside. Or you can use that money to, if you want to day trade, you can use that for that, okay? And you could, instead of losing money, you can make more money from the money that you're trying to, buy the dip with. All right. So what I'm trying to say is you have other options, bro. It's not all about buying and holding. All right. Society is not going to tell you that, because society is just all about the rich, and the rich controls society, so they don't want you to day trade. All right, they want you to buy and hold, and that's it. Matthew said, "Amen. I was getting a fraudulent charge notice. You better be real. You know we're good. I use a different card. I'm ready. So shout out to you. You said you better be real, man, bro. I'm real. There's no way in the world I'm able to do this many live streams if I wasn't real. All right. But shout out to you. Let me give you a round of applause. Let me give you a round of applause. Let me see here. Let me give him a round of applause. Matthew, guys, I want you to give Matthew a round of applause. He just joined the day trading group. He just joined the great day trading group, and he said he's ready. Okay, so Matthew, what I want you to do is TB dollar signs. You still here too? TB dollar signs. You still here too? All right. So Matthew and TB dollar signs. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna email you right away when I get off this live stream. Okay. So I want you to come into class right away so you can download the recording so you can get started. All right. Shout out to Golden Arm for giving me this super chat. Let me give him that bomb. Golden Arm is actually one of my students. Golden Arm is actually one of my day trading students. And he couldn't believe it, bro. Like, shout out to Golden Arm because he, like, you know, this stuff that I'm teaching you guys is golden. Okay, so let me read his let me read his super chat. Thanks for changing my life, bro. It would have took me years to learn what you have taught me. So that's a good point too. That's a very good point. I forgot all about that. Okay, the stuff that I know, bro, I'm telling you right now. You really. Some people think 950 is a lot of money. That's honestly, it's not a lot of money. Okay, because I already told you the person that went live. All right, already triple his account or initial investment. Right, but the amount of money you're going to spend just to figure out this market is going to be way more than $950, okay? Me personally, I lost $85,000 in the market trying to figure this stuff out. So if you're willing to lose $85,000 or more, I'm just trying to give you how long it takes to understand how this stuff works. Shout out to Golden Arm. He actually one of my students for that $20 super chat. Let me give him a round of applause. Let me see here. Golden Arm said he is real as real can get. Shout out to Golden Arm. Thanks a lot. I hear you, Kiko Swave. Yeah, a lot of these YouTubers, Kiko Swave, they hype things up, man. They hype things up. Okay. Shout out to Randy, guys. Randy's actually one of my long-term listeners and one of my students too. Randy's actually one of my students too, man. He gave me that $10 super chat. Appreciate it, man. Hollers can't spend the super chat. He said Hollers can't send super chats. Thanks, Ben. That's funny. Shout out to Randy, though, man. Randy is a good guy, man. Randy's a good guy. Let me give him a round of applause. So, guys, if you have any questions, you can definitely email me because I'm about to get off this live stream. Spend time with my daughter. So, what's my email address? Let me copy and paste my email address real quick. But shout out to all you guys, man. I appreciate all you guys' love. Like I said before, man, all I'm trying to do is help you guys not lose money, get to that next level. Okay, if you know the backstory or you know the story, period. With this course, I wasn't even trying to come up with this course. I told you guys, man, for 5 months straight, you guys been asking me, hey, man, teach us how to day trade. Okay. I didn't want to come out with a course because I know it's going to take so long to come out with a course. So I just said, let me come out with a class. Okay. So shout out to all you guys. I finally came out with a class. I have videos on my stream showing you what I do. So if you guys have any more questions, you can email me. But let me give everybody on this live stream a round of applause. I appreciate all the love, and I appreciate all my subscribers. I ain't gonna lie, man. It's hard to come on, live. It's hard to come live because we have a lot of trolls that don't understand the market. All right. So shout out to Dom. Dom said that he sees you. He see me later. He said thanks for the stream. Yeah, thanks for you, man. Thanks a lot. Dom is actually one of my students too. All right, so guys, thanks a lot. I appreciate all you guys. Make sure you continue to have a great weekend. And be careful when it comes to buying the dips, because the dips in the bear market is like basically throwing money on the ground, okay? I'd rather you guys just, if you, let's say that you don't want to listen to me somehow, at least listen to this. I mean, if you want to be that buy and hold guy, if you believe in your coin that much, just wait for that bull market to come. Wait for it until you see higher highs. Okay, guys, stop trying to time the bottom. Okay, the market haven't seen any type of higher highs anytime. This whole year. Okay, wait till you see some consistency in the chart. Stop trying to time the bottom just because you saw it on the news, or you saw your YouTube channel, or YouTube crypto YouTuber told you to buy the dips. Man, all right, I don't want you guys to lose money. So guys, again, thanks for your stream. Thanks a lot. Talk to you guys later. If you have any questions, email me. I'm gonna email all you guys that got the course. I'm gonna email you right now so you get in the class right now. And guys, have a good day. And we definitely continue this conversation later on. And I'll talk to you guys later. All right.